Today, we are diving into a topic that's both timeless and a bit controversial. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's chat about 5 misconceptions about Christian dating and what the Bible has to say about them. Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's go straight into today's conversation. The first misconception is that we have the idea that dating is a sin. Now, what exactly is dating? Dating, in this simplest form or definition, is getting to know someone on a deeper level. But the question is getting to know someone a sin? The Bible doesn't mention dating because it's a relatively modern concept. However, getting to know someone isn't inherently sinful, is it? The key is how you approach it. Proverbs chapter 4 verse 23 reminds us, above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flow out of it. So approach dating with wisdom and integrity. Now, let's talk about the belief that God will bring you your wife. Proverbs 18:22 says, he who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord. It means that you have to find. You have an active role in finding a spouse. It is actually a partnership with God. So pray to God for guidance, but then be open to meeting new people and building meaningful connections. Now, onto the idea that people will change with time. We've all heard someone say at some point that don't worry, it will change, it's only a matter of time. But here's the truth, people don't change because we want them to change. True change comes from within, and it's often guided by God's work in their hearts. So, it is only wise to not enter into a relationship expecting to change someone. Instead, accept them for who they are and pray for growth together. What about the age gap? Some believe that the man must be older than the lady, and the lady shouldn't marry a man who is too old. While the Bible doesn't emphasize age gap, it does emphasize mutual respect and love. What's important is that both partners are matured, share similar values and faith, and are committed to each other's well-being. Age is just a number, but maturity and compatibility are key. Finally, let's discuss premarital sex. God's design for sex is between the boundaries of marriage. So if you are dating, it is not the time to start having sex with them. Have you asked yourself, what if you're dating that fellow does not result into marriage and you've already had sex with them? Song of Solomon 8:4 says, do not arouse or awaken love until it's so desire. I am speaking from experience. It is better to hold on and not have premarital sex until you are married. The truth is, by the time you get married, you have ample space, time, opportunity to have sex. If you wish to have sex every day, you can do it, but you cannot even have sex every day. At some point, you get tired of it. So it's better you wait. Let's look at it this way. The relationship did not end in marriage and you already had sex with that person. You move on to another relationship, you have sex with that person. You move on to another relationship, you have sex with that person. For now, let's even forget about the spiritual implication. Of course, there are spiritual implications. There are also physical implications. You will get tired. How many people do you want to have sex with before finally settling down with someone? And sex is not even the ultimate thing. No, there is more to a relationship and marriage than sex. Sex is just one of the things. Encouraging you not to indulge in premarital sex is not about restricting us, it's about protecting the sacredness of intimacy. So there you have it, 5 misconceptions about Christian dating and what the Bible has to say about them. Relationships are actually a beautiful part of life, and navigating them with faith and wisdom can lead to a fulfilling and God-honoring life. By now, you know there's no way I'm letting you go without sharing the scripture with you. So today, let's look at the book of 2 Timothy chapter 2, verse 22. The NIV version says, flee the evil desires of youth and pursue righteousness, faith, love, and peace, along with those who call on the Lord out of a pure heart. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Christian-based content, and share your thoughts with me in the comments below. Until next time, stay blessed.